Hey, it was morning when I left Alabama. Lord, I guess it must have been around mid-July. I got stuck behind a chicken truck in Georgia, and the feathers was a flying like snow falling from the sky. Hey, chicken truck, now I need I'm stuck. Chicken truck, just my luck. Chicken truck, on Highway 55. All the winds are sparking while the roosters are crowing, and it's slowing me down when I need to be going. Chicken truck, on Highway 55. Well, I couldn't get up to speed up past him, and the funny smell was getting up close to me. And something keeps on messing up my windshield, and the farther I go, the harder it gets to see. A chicken truck, behind it I'm stuck. Chicken truck, just my luck. Chicken truck, on Highway 55. All the winds are squawking while the roosters are crowing, and it's slowing me down when I need to be going. Chicken truck, on Highway 55. I'll turn them chickens loose on. Y'all, let me tell about this here one time. Well, I finally got up to speeding up past him on a big long hill just south of Tennessee. He had a box of Colonel Sanders on the dashboard. Y'all, he was eating fried chicken and throwing the bones on me. Chicken truck, behind it I'm stuck. Chicken truck, that's my luck. Chicken truck, on Highway 55. Hell, the winds are squawking while the roosters are crowing, and it's slowing me down when I need to be going. Chicken truck, on Highway 55. A chicken truck.